Chapter 2, Data Acquisition, Means Obtaining Data. CT scanners consist of a scanning gantry, X-ray generator, computer system, operator's console, physician viewing console. Hard copy filming, largely replaced by workstation viewing and electronic arching. Laser printer, most CT systems still include a laser printer for transferring CT images to film. Data acquisition. Data are required when X-ray pass through a patient to strike a detector and are recorded. Major components that are involved in this phase of image creation. Gantry, patient table. Gantry, ring-shaped part of the CT scanner, houses many components necessary to produce and detect X-rays. Rotating scan frame. Components are mounted on a rotating scan frame. Size of gantry. Gantries varies in total size as well as in the diameter of the opening or aperture. Range of aperture size 70 to 90 cm. CT gantry can be tilted either forward or backward as needed to accommodate a variety of patient and examination protocols. Degree of tilt varies amongst systems, but 15 degree, 30 degree is usual. Laser light. The gantry also includes a laser light that is used to position the patient within the scanner. Control panels. Located on either side of gantry opening allow the technologist to control the alignment, lights, gantry tilt and table movement. Operator's console. It also controls the alignment, lights, gantry tilt and table movement. Microphones embedded in the gantry to allow communication between patient and technologist throughout the scan procedure. Slip rings permit the gantry frame to rotate continuously, making helical scan mode possible. Early CT scanner use recoiling system cables to rotate the gantry frame. This design limited the scan method to the step and shoot mode.